Hello, everyone! Today we are going to learn the French alphabets from A to Z and how to pronounce each letter. The letter A in French is pronounced as A. The letter B in French is pronounced as B. The letter C in French is pronounced as C. The letter D in French is pronounced as D. Letter E in French is pronounced as A. Letter F in French is pronounced as F. The letter G in French is pronounced as G. The letter H in French is pronounced as ash. The letter I in French is pronounced as E. The letter J in French is pronounced as J. The letter K in French is pronounced as Ka. The letter L in French is pronounced as L. The letter M in French is pronounced as M. The N in French is pronounced as N. The letter O in French is pronounced as O. The letter P in French is pronounced as P. The letter Q in French is pronounced as Q. The letter R in French is pronounced as air. The letter S in French is pronounced as S. The letter T in French is pronounced as T. The letter U in French is pronounced as U. The letter V in French is pronounced as V. The letter W in French is pronounced as W. The letter X in French is pronounced as X. The letter Y in French is pronounced as Y. The letter Z in French is pronounced as Z.
Now let's speak all the letters together. A, B, C, D,
U, F, C, H,
E, Z, K,
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.